Yeah. Look at all these teachers that love our Holly Hill night. We love our night. Guys, I want you to see, these cars are wrapped all the way around that parking complex coming out the other end, and look how many more there are. I am so impressed. So many people have come out to say hi to our kiddos and share love with our families. I'm so proud of the Holly Hill family and the UBIC teachers that joined us. Abaco, Windows. So impressed. These kids are so happy waving to us. So many teachers showed up. In front of us is a band. Ormond Beach Mayor Holly Hill Mayor Chris Villa. Principal. And so
now, what other school you know is doing a parade for their community? You have to, because this is awesome, man. This is awesome. It really is. There you go. I said this is awesome.
So the parade's coming to an end. We're here at Holly Hill School now. Wave! Wave, guys. So we're all dispersing here, and I'm gonna join up with the Teacher of the Year over here. By the way, let me turn this around, show you. See you guys. Look at that over there. Someone made a float.
thank you guys.
That is Abaco Windows. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you. Look at that float.
Thank you.
That is so cool.
Thank you guys for doing
Yes.
this.
And look, hey, thank you so much. This was so cool.
Thank you for doing this.
Yes. So we're all dispersing now, but hey, I think I want to thank you once again, our Teacher of the Year, and that's why she's the Teacher of the Year. She cares so much about our community, and that's what this thing is about, to spread a little bit of cheer during a very, very difficult time for our community.
Thank you guys.
So, hey, say hi. See you guys. So thank you once again. Is there anything you want to say to close it out?
Thank you guys, all the teachers and UBIC, all the people who participated today, the businesses. Awesome job. Thank you. We spread a lot of love and a lot of smiles today during a difficult time. Thank you.
And there we just had the Daytona Beach Mayor drive by, who's also a principal here at Holly Hill School. So we appreciate everybody coming out and saying hi, all the students out there. And man, what a neat thing. I'm proud to be a part of this. And as I said before, this is what I'm proud about when I say Holly Hill proud. So community coming together, and what a neat thing. So